So this is the Premier Inn in Terminal 4, Heathrow. Exactly the same as a normal Premier Inn room. But Pandy did say that I had to vlog it to show you guys, just in case you haven't seen a Premier Inn room or wonder whether they're the same. We always use these up here, our spare pillows, so we always use those. Some wardrobe space there, some hanging space there, hairdryer here. This is nice as well, this mirror here, light up mirror, somewhere for your hooks. And in here there's more storage, and full length mirror, and in here is the bathroom. Now we booked 4 rooms, like oh, dirty mark there, like I keep saying. We booked 4 rooms and Conrad just checked us in. Thank you very much, Conrad. And I've just noticed that the more rooms you book and the more things you ask for, like we wanted to be near to reception or near a lift, takes a little bit longer to check in, but we still checked in about 10 minutes. So any hooks on the back of the door? Yes, it is. So we wanted 1 accessible room, 1 twin room, and 2 normal average rooms. So this is them. You can actually upgrade in a Premier Inn and have nicer rooms. I think they're on the top floor, but here we've got the menu. We've booked a table for 8 of us for 9 o'clock, and it's about that time now, I would have thought. Do you like my new suitcase covers? And my new backpack as well that I got. So some advertising there. And I'm not sure what the... Oh, it's just lots and lots of park cars and the Hilton. We prefer Premier Inn, of course, to the Hilton. Or maybe not, maybe we just prefer the cost. But yeah, very happy to be here, very excited about our flight tomorrow and about eating, because me and Pandy have both been on diets, so it'll be nice to have a normal meal. So yeah, we'll take you with us.